Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is March 26, 2024, Tuesday. Option expiry for Nifty. Since we didn't put our video on Friday, hence we didn't give any support or resistance levels. But anyway, we'll discuss what happened, what will happen tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So Nifty, first Nifty, it closed at 2705.95, 0.37% down. It opened the gap down but formed a small solid green candle. BankNifty on the other hand, 46,600.20, 0.56% down, gap down, and it formed a doji or a spinning top. Nifty 22,004.70, 0.42% down, gap down, and it is formed a small but solid green candle. So what is important in all these things is the 50-day simple moving average and exponential moving average is acting as a support for all these indices. However, it is still below the key exponential moving averages and the Bollinger middle band, that is acting as a resistance. So today's opening, because in the weekly chart it has formed a kind of, till now, of course it is just one day and two more trading sessions for this week to complete, it has formed a kind of a small body within the big body that it formed last week. So overall, there is not going to be today. What happened? It opened gap down but then went up and didn't nothing much. There was no volatility. It was just absolutely calm. There was nothing in the market today to say so. So with all these things, let's analyze what happened today in the individual components. On the banks, HDFC Bank, ICICI, Kotak, SBI and Yes Bank fell 1%, while Axis Bank, PNB and Bank of Baroda moved up by 1%. We have now included Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Canfin Homes and all other things in our daily analysis part of it. On the financials, you had Canfin Homes, L&T Finance, Manappuram 1% up, Bajaj Finance, Chola, Shriram 2% up, Muthoot 4% up. So basically the financial supported Nifty, which is why Nifty had a better closure than that of BankNifty. As you can see, BankNifty components, the key components fell, that is HDFC, Kotak, ICICI, everything. On the insurance and cards, LIC, ICICI General, SBI Life, SBI Cards 1% down, ICICI Pru moved up by 3%. In the oil and telecom, Reliance 1% down, while Bharati down 2%. IT, Infi, LTIM, TCS, TechM, Wipro 1% down, Apple 3% down. Sole winner was LTTS. Others remained sideways. On the consumer goods, Asian Paints, Bata, HUL 1% down, Trent 2% down. ABFRL, Colpal, Pidilite 1% up, Britannia 2% up, DMart 4% up. In the automobiles, M&M, Maruti 1% down, Eicher 2% down, Ashok Leyland, Motherson, Tata Motors, TVS 1% up. In the metals, Vedanta 1% down, Coal India 1% up, Hindalco and National Aluminium 2% up. In the health and pharma, APL, Apollo Hospital, Divi's, Cipla, Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma 1% down, Thyrocare down 4%, Metropolitan Thyro had a big move, Metro by 3% and Thyrocare by Lalpath by 6%, Thyrocare down 4%. In the others category, Nika, Ultratech, UPL 1% down, Z, Delta Corp and APL Apollo 2% down, L&T, DLF, Godrej Properties, Havels and MCX 1% up, Adani Ports and Polycab 2% up, Jubilant Food 3% up, Zomato 5% up, Indigo had a massive move of 6%. With all these things, what is the support and levels, key levels for tomorrow option expiry for Bank Nifty? So Bank Nifty is precariously positioned. It slightly managed to close above the 50-day simple moving average, which is the immediate support that is available, below which is the 50-day exponential moving average, below which is the 50-day simple moving average, which is at 46,401, below which is the 100-day simple moving average, which is at 46,209, below which is the 100-day exponential moving average 46,175. In fact, earlier one occasion where it has taken down all these things, last line of support is available at the Bollinger lower band, which I would say is the excellent support. Other supports one has to watch, but Bollinger lower band is something which is a very strong support, I would say, which is at 45,833. Likewise, on the upward side, we have array of resistance. First level of resistance is coming at 20-day exponential moving average, which is at 46,788. Once it takes out, then the Bollinger middle band, which is at 46,925, above which is the February high, which is at 47,363.40, and February high is something which will act as a very good resistance. Thank you very much.